So, welcome to Understanding the True Foot of the Horse class on anatomical mapping of the hoof so that you can learn how to trim your horse better. You can tell if he has distortions. You can tell if your farrier is doing a good job. You can tell if your barefoot trimmer is doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Things like that. And there's some basic things that you need to understand that most people just do not realize. Even highly trained professionals do not realize. And that is that inside, this is what we usually see right here, is what they call the hoof of the horse. Technically, this is called a hoof capsule. This hoof capsule can be removed. See, this one wasn't exactly removed, but they can be pulled off and they can be removed just like that. Here you have an older foot that's been removed off of, and here you have just a coffin bone. Okay, now the thing that most people don't know is that inside, the first thing you're going to find inside of this hoof capsule is a foot that looks just like the capsule in most respects. And it is this whole foot that we need to know first before we take the foot apart to learn about its parts. First of all, one thing you might want to know is that when the coffin bone is inside of this foot, it is not set inside of the foot at itself flat like that. It is actually set at a slight angle like this inside the foot. This becomes very important later on when because there's a lot of beliefs out there that the coffin bone sits like this, and so they're trying to make this hairline here at a certain angle to force this coffin bone to set flat like that, when in truth, inside the foot itself, it is set at a slight angle. Okay, so if we look at this foot, and if we just study first the foot itself on a healthy horse, where it hasn't been damaged, it hasn't been deformed, things like that, then we're going to know more about how we want to grow this hoof capsule from the internal foot.